So now let's begin the match in 3, 2, 1, go!
Starting off qualification match number 46, actually. 27318 taking in some artifacts, moving back to that close launch zone. That's Mantabots from Mamaroneck, New York. They're joined on the Blue Alliance by 14-739 Metal Benders from Oxford, Michigan. Looking over to the Red Alliance side, 16832 GP Robotics Unity out of Portland, Texas, intaking from the gate zone, as holding down by the far launch zone, 10615 Jefferson Psydogs out of Midland, Michigan.
Drivers, pick up your controllers. Three, two, one.
Red Alliance will then lead 66-30 now, 72-30 actually. 22 artifacts scored so far. Red looking to quickly bring up that score. There, remember, with the purple highlight, 16832 GP Robotics Unity from Texas, dropping off one artifact successfully. Now their alliance partners, Jefferson Psydogs, doing the same. Looks like both of these alliance members prioritizing that close launch zone for the easier shots up. Jefferson Psydogs playing cleanup on the shots, artifacts that land down near this launch zone, taking them in and firing them airborne. GP Robotics Unity staying out in the far field, meanwhile staying around their alliance partners, continuing to fire up and into the air. Now looking to the Blue Alliance from the far field, Metal Benders intaking from that Blue Alliance loading zone, now in the far launch zone, sending shots all the way across the field, 3 going right on in to the ramp, both matching the motif, 10 points right there. Their alliance partners, Mantabots, they come back, turret aimed high, 2 shots going wide, a third bouncing back out. Still plenty of time to work on that scoring though, as 58 seconds left to go. Red Alliance now leads 189-66. And if you look at the Red Alliance artifact count, they are quickly closing in on that goal ranking point. Only one more artifact needed. Looks like Jefferson Psydogs has it. There they are. Goal ranking point secured for the Red Alliance. Blue Alliance, meanwhile, keeps working on scoring. A volley of shots going up off of both Alliance members as we hit 35 seconds left to go. A match is winding down. Red Alliance now still retaining that lead. The strategy seems to be focusing really on that close launch zone for the Red Alliance. Blue doing split traffic management, as we've seen be rather common. You'll see Metal Bender staying in the far field as we hit the end game period, really helping them stay away from their Alliance partners. 11 seconds left to go. Artifacts still are the core scoring method. Team still lining up to shoot if possible. 3 seconds left to go. Looks like some parks coming in for Blue as time expires.
We got a winner. The winner is Red Alliance with a score of 264 points. And now let's get back to match number 48. Match number 48.